There was no easy way past them while they were awake.
Gotta keep moving, gotta keep moving!
His progress was halted once more by nature's obstacles. With the path clear, Marvin continued his journey towards the farm. The farm promised new tools and perhaps new problems to solve.
The excavator, ready for heavier earth-moving tasks.
The excavator's power was needed downstream. Back at the water's edge, bigger rocks awaited removal.
That's the last one!
The large obstacles were pulverized into harmless streambed material.
Clean water returned to the landscape, bringing life back.
Much better. Better.
The reptiles seemed to appreciate the cleaner environment immensely.
Enjoy the swim, friends!
Suddenly, the scene transitioned to the biting cold of winter.
Time to clear the roads for everyone!
Next up, precision snow removal with the excavator. Clearing the main routes was vital for access.
A little winter work.
Steady progress ensured safe passage for any vehicle.
Wait! What's that?
Transporting the rescued friends to warmth was the priority.
Safe and sound.
The rescue complete, it was time to resume clearing operations. The path was finally open for traffic.
Local transportation began to arrive.
Goodbye! Drive safely!
Time for a hay run! All right, step right up, everyone!
Guiding them carefully is key. The journey to the grooming station begins. transporting the fresh product to the packaging station.
A quick dash to complete the morning's work.
Honey!
Climbing slowly, mindful of the guardians.
The sweetest reward.
An emergency rescue call in the jungle.
Continuing his walk, Marvin encountered a new obstruction.
The tractor, his trusted partner, was called back into service.
Sometimes, tools need to be used defensively.
The engineering miracle was complete by dawn.
Returning to calmer territories.
Another animal in unexpected peril.
Safe transport back to the stable.
Such lovely visitors. The lure of honey returned. Well, maybe a banana is easier today. Satisfied.